Today's daily word affirmation from the absolute word is hope becomes conviction as I trust my power of faith. And so as we settle into this meditation, this first day of Advent, you just allow the shoulders to relax, allow the body to relax. We take this time to allow the peace of the stillness to come into our thoughts, to come into our hearts, to come into our bodies. Our day-to-day life is like a shaken up snow globe. We just allow the thoughts and the busyness to settle and let clarity arise. Notice the breath and allow the breath to be gentle and deep. Continuing to breathe gentle and free. This beginning of our season of Advent, our journey to Christmas, our journey to remember the awakening of the Christ within each of us. Maybe we hold in our hands, figuratively, a hope or a dream or intention. The theme for today is hope and faith. So we hold those hopes and dreams and intentions. Who we'd like to be, how we'd like to be, how we'd like the world to be. as we use this time of intention, this Advent journey, to become more and more of that. The people who've walked in darkness have seen the great light. We use hope to believe in that light means something. We use faith to walk forward into what is ours to do. So we take this first week of Advent to hold into, to tune into those hopes, intentions, wishes, dreams. In the stillness and the quiet, we affirm wisdom and clarity. And so we breathe into gratitude. The wisdom and peace of this moment. Breathe into gratitude for the joy and the technology that connects us. We breathe into gratitude for whatever realizations or understandings that come now and in the future. So we notice the body, maybe we stretch. We come into this place in this moment with more hope and faith. This Advent, this journey to Christmas. And so it is. Breathe. So it is. Amen.